the psychology and habits of billionaires have long been the subject of fascination and study. Here are some of the key characteristics that have been associated with billionaire success. First, risk-taking. One of the most common traits shared by billionaires is a willingness to take risks. They are often willing to invest in new and untested ventures, and they are not afraid to fail. In fact, many billionaires view failure as an essential part of the learning process. Investing in new ventures, billionaires are often early investors in new and untested ventures. They are able to identify emerging trends and invest in companies that have the potential for significant growth. Making bold business moves. Successful billionaires are not afraid to make bold business moves, such as expanding into new markets or acquiring companies that may be outside of their core competencies. Pursuing unconventional ideas. Billionaires often pursue unconventional ideas that others may dismiss as too risky or unlikely to succeed. However, their willingness to take on these projects can often lead to breakthrough innovations and significant financial rewards. Betting on themselves. Many billionaires have achieved their success by betting on themselves. They have the confidence and self-belief to pursue their dreams and take risks that others may shy away from. Learning from failure. Finally, successful billionaires are able to learn from their failures and use these experiences to inform future decisions. They view failure as an essential part of the learning process and are able to bounce back from setbacks with renewed determination. Second, creativity. Billionaires tend to be creative thinkers who are able to see opportunities where others do not. They are often able to identify and capitalize on emerging trends before they become mainstream. Third, persistence. Another key trait of successful billionaires is persistence. They are able to stay focused on their goals, even in the face of setbacks and challenges. They are also able to adapt to changing circumstances and pivot when necessary. Fourth, vision. Billionaires tend to have a clear vision for what they want to achieve. They are able to set long-term goals and work towards them, even if progress is slow or incremental. Fifth, self-discipline. Billionaires are often highly disciplined individuals who are able to stick to a schedule and prioritize their time effectively. They are also able to delay gratification and make short-term sacrifices in order to achieve long-term success. Sticking to a schedule. Billionaires often have highly structured schedules that allow them to maximize their productivity. They set specific times for work, exercise, and other activities, and they stick to these schedules as closely as possible. Prioritizing their time. Successful billionaires are able to prioritize their time effectively. They focus on activities that are most important to their goals and delegate tasks that can be handled by others. Delaying gratification. Billionaires are often able to delay gratification and make short-term sacrifices in order to achieve long-term success. They are willing to put in the hard work and make difficult decisions that may not yield immediate results. Maintaining focus. Successful billionaires are able to maintain a high level of focus on their goals and objectives. They are not easily distracted by external factors and are able to block out distractions in order to concentrate on their work. Practicing self-control. Self-control is another key aspect of self-discipline. Billionaires are able to control their impulses and avoid distractions that may interfere with their productivity. Setting goals. Finally, successful billionaires are often highly goal-oriented individuals. They set clear and specific goals for themselves and work towards these goals with discipline and determination. Sixth, continuous learning. Successful billionaires are constantly learning and seeking new knowledge. They are often avid readers and lifelong learners who seek out new ideas and perspectives. Seventh, focus. Billionaires are able to maintain a high level of focus on their goals and objectives. They are not easily distracted by external factors and are able to block out distractions in order to concentrate on their work. Eighth, networking. Billionaires tend to be skilled networkers who are able to build relationships and leverage their connections to achieve their goals. They are also able to collaborate effectively with others and build strong teams around them. Ninth, resilience. Finally, successful billionaires are often highly resilient individuals who are able to bounce back from setbacks and failures. They are able to learn from their mistakes and use these experiences to fuel future success. In summary, the psychology and habits of billionaires are characterized by risk-taking, creativity, persistence, vision, self-discipline, continuous learning, focus, networking, and resilience. These traits have played a key role in their success and have helped them to achieve their goals and build successful businesses and careers.